So, real estate. Let's talk about it again. I have already said a lot about real estate investment in my previous shorts as well. For example, I have told you that if you invest in real estate, you should invest it for a very long time. You should invest that money which you might not need today or tomorrow, because real estate is a illiquid investment. It is a more illiquid investment than stocks and mutual funds, because if you want to withdraw your stocks and mutual funds, you can do it in couple of days. But if you want to sell your real estate investment, first of all you will need a buyer for it, potential buyer, and you need to sell it at a very good price as well. If you are able to negotiate at a good price, then it is a good thing. Otherwise, if you are in a situation where you need a lot of money, then you might have to sell your real estate at a price at which you don't want to sell, because it is your need of money. That is not the case with stocks and mutual funds. The market decides the price. So if you need money at any day, then you can sell your mutual funds and stocks at that particular price, and you can get your money back. So mutual funds are more liquid, and real estate is more illiquid. So that is one disadvantage I said from my side, which discourages me to invest in real estate. Now I am not saying that real estate is a bad investment. Real estate can be a good investment, especially for builders. So the people who make a lot of money with real estate are the builders who actually buy an empty plot, and then they build their own apartments, homes, buildings on it, and then they sell it at a very high price. So builders are the one who make a lot of money, but builders have their own risk as well. They take a lot of loan, or they invest a lot of money of their own as well. But builders are the one who make a majority of profit by selling the real estate. They buy a plot, they build a flat or maybe a apartment on it, and then they sell it at a high price within a year, or 1.5 year or 2 years. They build properly, almost in a year they sell that, and they get a lot of profit on it. Now as a individual investor, as you are, if you are buying a real estate not for living in it, if you are living in it, then it is fine. You should definitely purchase a real estate if you are living inside that real estate, because you will have your own home as well. That is a good thing. And also that real estate investment, the price of the value of that real estate will go up as well. But if you are not buying it for the purpose of living, then you have to wait for a very long time for that real estate price to go up, because you are not the one who build it. You purchase the entire property, build property, and now you want to sell it. Then you have to wait for at least 4 to 5 years for that real estate to become uh, to reach at a value where you can sell it at a good price. But even after that, even after 5 years, if your property has a lot of value, but you are in the need of money, and let's say you don't want to sell the real estate right now, you maybe want to wait 5 more years before you want to sell it, but you are in the need of money right now. Let's say you purchased a property, completely built property at a particular price. After 5 years, the price got up, the value got up. You want to wait 5 more years before you can sell it, but after 5 years you need the money right now. So you might have to sell it at a discounted price as well, because you are the one who is in the need. So that is another disadvantage here, which I already told you in the beginning. So if you are investing in real estate, at least take a very long period of time to invest, and invest only that money which you don't need for a longer period of time. And even after that, you have to look for a potential buyer, a good buyer on which you can get a good deal. So there are a couple of things you should be worried about, you should keep in mind if you are investing in real estate. First of all, are you a builder? If you are a builder and you are purchasing a empty plot, then you are building on it on your own and then you are selling it, then there is a lot of risk in it. There is a very quick profit, but there is a lot of risk in it. The second thing, if you are not a builder and you are purchasing the completely built property, then you have to uh, consider other things as well. First of all, that you have to wait for a long period of time, and then after that your buyer, the person who will buy it from you, you should get a good deal on that as well. So you have to make a network with good dealers as well, the brokers. So the brokers can help you meet with the party who can provide you uh, good deal on your property here. So that is something you should consider as well. You have to make networks in the in this in your area as well, so that you can sell so you can sell your property at a good price if you are investing in real estate. These are the things that you don't have to worry about in the stock market and in the mutual funds, because there you don't have to need a broker in the middle. You don't need to uh, negotiate on the price. The current price of the market, on that particular price you can sell it. So that is the one advantage on which I was investing in mutual funds, I was investing in stocks. But when you get a sufficient amount of money and there is a portion of that money which you don't need for a long period of time, then you should invest in real estate. So for example, if I have 100 rupees as my entire uh, savings, then I would invest at least 60 to 70% in the liquid assets, bonds, stocks, mutual funds, and then 30% only in the real estate. But then this 30% has to be a very large amount as well, because in real estate investment you should have a lot of money to invest. So that is my current opinion on the real estate here. I am investing in real estate as well, but I am considering all of these points in my mind here. I try to make network with the dealers. You should have a very good networks with the dealers, so that they can provide you a very good deal on the real estate property that you have. And the second thing, that purchasing plot and then building on it is riskier but more profitable. So if you have a sufficient amount of money and if you are ready to take a risk, then purchasing a plot is more better than purchasing a real estate property here. And but it is a lot risky, I am not denying that, but that is the one where you have a lot most of profit as well. In real estate investment, builders are the one who make the profit. So if you want to make money in real estate, quick profit you want to make, then you should go for as a builder. But if you are purchasing the entire real estate property, then my advice is, first of all, make a good network with the dealers, and you should wait for a very long period of time before you can make any money.